Hello terminal enthusiasts, I have some wonderful news for you today. This Word document is going to be your new favorite terminal emulator. That's right, you open up terminal.doc in Microsoft Word, just click on CMD right here in the quick access toolbar, and there you go. This Word document is a terminal emulator. I can type commands in here just as normal. It doesn't scroll down to the end of the command, but never mind, there we go. See, that works. I don't know of any other fun Windows commands that I can run, because I'm not normally a Windows user, but if you're a WSL user, you just click on bash right here, and there we go, look at that. It started on the line that the one was on. Never mind, there we go. It's even got color. Now, as with any terminal emulator, there's pros and cons to consider. I've got to scroll again. Hang on, there we go. There's pros and cons to consider before you make the switch full time. So let's go over some of the pros and cons of switching to terminal.doc. Let's see. There's pros. Well, I'll tell you what. Let's start with the cons. We'll come back to the pros in a minute. So the cons. Let's go back to CMD for a moment. There's one weird issue here. So I can list the directory here. That works. Scroll down. But if I backspace and then the backspace doesn't work. It's just the backspace doesn't work. But that's just CMD. And nobody likes CMD. We prefer bash. Let's go back to bash. It's just a bug. It'll probably be fixed in the next version. Arrow keys don't do what you want. If I press up, it doesn't take me to my... I can't scroll through the history with up and down, so that doesn't work. There is this weird issue that Word likes to... I mean, I can echo foo, but suppose I want to echo like something with quotes in. I see. The quotes... the quotes don't work. Quotes don't work. You need to hang on. We can fix it. We can fix this. Proofing, auto format. Replace straight quotes for smart quotes. Okay, don't do that anymore. So it takes a little bit of configuring, but yeah, there we go. Ho ho. That. Yep. Well. Well, that nearly worked. Anyway. So yeah, up and down doesn't work. You can't do that. But it does mean that you can do pretty cool things like you can just go and select a part of the document and put it in the clipboard, paste it straight in, and that works. You don't need the up arrow to do history. You just copy and paste. There we go, copy and paste. Who needs history? You've got copy and paste. This does mean Control-C doesn't interrupt the process, because Control-C is copy, but we do have an interrupt button, which, never mind that. Don't worry about interrupts, it's fine. Oh, okay, I thought of some of the pros. Here we go. Tab completion works. ls, tab. Hey, there we go. Yeah, what's in this directory? Oh, I'm gonna tab complete it. Come on. Yeah, there we go. Tab works. Oh, here's a good one. Vim almost works. Let me just give you a sneak peek of this file here. Output is not a terminal. So there's some issues with Vim. It thinks this isn't a terminal, which is kind of rude, to be honest. Here's my file full of upcoming project ideas. Let's go ahead and edit this. Let's just get down. Whoop. Nope. I want to go. Nope. Well, I can put a new line in here. Hello. Hello there. Deleted the other line. Okay. Well, anyway, so the escape key doesn't work, but that's fine because there's this escape button here, and now I can. Oh. See, Vim nearly works. Good enough. Oh, okay. I just remembered a really good one. So, let's say you're just writing a little invoice for a customer, right? Dear customer. Oh, why is it green? Why is it green? There we go. Dear customer, please find your invoice. below. But you don't want to have to go and find the file and then copy and paste it in. You know, you just want to stay in. Your entire workflow is now in Word because you have Bash, and so you just cat the file in. Job done. Press stop, and then you just tidy this up. There we go. There's your customer's order. There has been a bit of an encoding error here, but you know, I'm sure that'll be fixed in a later version. But now here's the really cool part. You're like, damn, I need to add VAT to this order. If only there was a calculator built into Microsoft Word. Ha! Well, let's take this. Let's multiply it by 1.2, add on 20% VAT. Job done, right there in Word. It's as simple as that. Press stop, tidy up. And there we are. Calculator inside Word. Maybe you just want to paste a web page in here. You just like, oh, here is the documentation for a really awkward system call in the Windows API that you might need to implement a terminal emulator. Just to pick a random thing off the top of my head. So we just start bash perl. Watch this. It's as easy as this. Paste that in. Uh-oh. Oh dear. Continue. Uh-oh. Well, that nearly worked. I think I know what the problem was. Autocorrect. There we go. Okay. Let's try again. Run bash. Paste it in. There we go. Look at that. It's taken a while. Don't worry, I think it's working. Oh yeah, it's working. There we go. Yeah. No, there's quite a lot of it. This goes on for a while. Come on. Nearly that. Nope. Ah, it keeps going. There we go. Almost there. Almost there. Come on. I don't know if this is my internet connection or curl or bash. I don't know which one's going slow. It might be the terminal emulator that's going slow. Who knows? Who can say, really? It's still going. We're on... how many pages? Page 1 of 1, that's not true. 24 words, that's just a lie. Oh. Hey, there we go. Yeah, it needs a little bit of a tidy up. Oh, 40 pages, okay. It does need quite a bit of tidy up. Quite a lot of tidy up. But there it is. This is gonna make your whole document preparation, just your entire workflow is gonna be so much faster. Okay, you know what? Uh-oh. Overflow? What does that mean? Okay. So you gotta make sure the document doesn't get too big. That's what the overflow means. There we go. The document is just a bit too big. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. And yeah, the really cool thing about this thing is you can, if you're tracking your Word document in Git, you don't even have to leave Word to do a Git commit. And you know, that's a common use case, right? People track Word documents in Git. That's a thing. That's definitely a thing. I've seen it before. It's a thing. It's a thing. So there we go. Terminal.doc. It's the future. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk. Please subscribe.